In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove your vapor canister purge solenoid for a GMC Acadia 2007 to 2016. The first step is to open up the hood. Now you would remove the engine oil cap and the engine cover. Now you can put the cap back on so nothing falls into the engine oil. For the hose, there's two green places. Push both sides in and pull out. For the wire, press down on the pin and push out. Using a 10mm, you will take out the only bolt that's there. After it becomes loose, you can loosen the rest of it with your hand. After it's loose, you can pull it out with your hand. To put it back in, you could have the screw inserted inside of it just to align it easier. When it comes to tightening it, you don't have to tighten it too crazy. To put in the hose, just push it in until you hear a click.